Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell icon to watch our new videos. And enjoy this video till the end.
Hi guys, so we are out today to check out how Brussels is during this Christmas. There are many restrictions over here in Brussels, but we hope to see some decoration and some fun in this Christmas time. So let's go. But before we go, we are a little hungry, so we'll have some quick bite from here and then we'll check out how things are here in Brussels. So let's go. So the place that you see over here that's empty right now, so generally there's a Brussels eye over here. So Brussels eye is basically a giant wheel and you get a beautiful view of the Brussels city as well as the Christmas market that happens here, which seems to be completely empty this year because of COVID-19, and otherwise that's a fun view. And in this portion there is a kids play that is created, and this place is completely decorated with those Santa Claus vibes and Christmas tree, and it looks really beautiful over here. And this year, like there are only handful of people over here and this place is completely empty. Very
तो ये जो जगह आप लोग देख रहे हैं सेंट कैथरीन के सामने, तो यहाँ पे लगभग क्रिसमस से एक महीना पहले ही पूरा क्रिसमस मार्केट सब सज जाता है, और ये जो एरिया है पूल का ये सब भी कवर्ड हो जाता है, और सारे फूड स्टॉल्स और सुवीनियर्स, गेम और भी बहुत सारा चीज़ एंजॉय करने के लिए रहता है पब्लिक के लिए। तो पूरा पार्टी का माहौल रहता है। पर इस बार लॉकडाउन के कारण जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, इट्स लाइक पूरा डल हुआ पड़ा है इस बार। सिर्फ नॉर्मल लाइट्स लगा हुआ है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस उससे ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं।
So the church that you see behind me is the St. Catherine Church, and there are 2 metro stops beside St. Catherine, so it's easily accessible. And generally the Christmas night markets happen here, which is quite empty this time. There is another church over here at St. Catherine. So it's in a little alley with a cobble stone streets. It's quite pretty, and there's a Christmas tree over there. So I'll just give a view of the same to you. So yeah, that's the church behind me. I have messy hair. I just had a hair wash. It's very messy. Yeah, this is a church. So pretty. I love the churches in Europe. So there's a Christmas tree over there. completely decorated for Christmas. Here's a pretty Christmas tree. I love the Christmas vibe. Although it's quite scanty this year because of COVID. The streets are sparsely decorated. If there would have been no COVID, you would have just been stuck on this road because of the crowd. Like almost all the people, they come here to enjoy the Christmas vibe. This year there are very less people, all with covered faces. Here's my man with a covered face. Hi Ansh.
Hello.
How do you feel about Christmas this year? Very bad, no?
अभी हम लोग थिएटर के सामने हैं और हर साल यहाँ पे एक आइस रिंक लगती है, बट इस साल ड्यू टू द सिचुएशन यहाँ पे ये लोग कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ करके ये रेड बॉल्स प्लेस किए हैं। तो ये रेड बॉल्स बेसिकली साउंड रेजोनेट करती है आपके सराउंडिंग से और उसके अंदर में एक लाइट है जो कि ग्लो करता है। So now we both are heading towards Grand Pla to check out the Christmas decor over there. So one important information that I had to share with you is that there are a couple of rules set by the Belgium government. So I would love to share them with you. So on Christmas Eve, the curfew is not till 10 p.m. So it's extended till midnight, but it's only for Christmas. And then like if you're having guests at your place, then it has to be only 4 guests including children, and only one of the guests can have access to the washroom, you know, to combat the spread of infection. And avoid if you're roaming outside, keep your group limited up to 4 only. And next is that we have to abide to the rules to avoid giving heavy amount of fine, because on that day police are allowed to enter your house and check if you are following the rules or not. Celebrate Christmas but in a safe way.
Do you want to join the line for fritters?
Yeah.
Yeah, after seeing that rush over there, yeah. There is too much rush over here. There's a very long line. So we can have fritters later, some other day.
इस साल का क्रिसमस ट्री काफ़ी सुंदर है। यहाँ पे काफ़ी भीड़ है, तो अपना मास्क आप ओपन मत कीजिएगा। फूड, ड्रिंक या स्मोक यहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है। इसके लिए आपको काफ़ी हेवी फ़ाइन भरना पड़ सकता है। loved our video, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel.